एक जो आपका पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन होता है उसके हिसाब से जो आपका होता है स्टिमुली और स्टिमुलस के हिसाब से when a person react or an animal react also, this is a behavior. Not only the person are going to react to a particular situation, animal also react. Yes or no? Yes. When are going to beat to a dog or maybe a animal, domestic animal, they are reacting or they are still silent? They will be react. So this is exactly what happened. When you react to a situation, this is a behavior. Right now, behavior of different type. Maybe you are going to show some aggressive over there. Maybe you are going to say it's my mistake, so I need to be silent over there. Or maybe you need to find a midway solution, cross check over there that why you beat me, what the problem over there, or why you say me, that kind of thing. Yes or no? So these are the behavior. Right now maybe you have cross check or maybe you have find out some people have said you're not having the good behavior. So right now remember one thing, when those people say you or maybe ask you, you don't know how to behave with the people, then you can ask him, which kind of behavior? Is it aggressive, assertive, or submissive? What kind of behavior I have said to you? That's why you are asking me that I don't have any behavior. Ask them. Right? जो मिलेगा आपके पास रख लेना, मुझे मत देना. जूता मिलेगा, थप्पड़ मिलेगा, जो मिलेगा आपके पास रख लेना. ठीक है? So this is exactly what the behavior is. There are three kind of behavior. According to that one, people will judge you. If your behavior is very good, that why the people can say उसका ना behavior बहुत अच्छा है. बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते? Some people also said उसका behavior बहुत खराब है, उसके पास मत जाओ. ये स्पेशली कहाँ पे होता है? दुकान में होता है. पता है कि नहीं पता है? वो जो दुकान है ना साइड पे, उसका बिहेवियर बहुत खराब है. अच्छा प्रोडक्ट रखता है लेकिन बिहेवियर खराब है, उसके पास मत जाओ. उसके बाजू वाले जो प्रोडक्ट है ना, वो जो दुकान है ना, वहाँ पे ले आना. बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते? सो व्हाट दिस इज एक्चुअली
They are unable to build a good relationship with the people.
by how? By the help of their communication skill. If your communication skill is not good, if your behavior is not good, people obviously sit with the proportion. So people obviously are going to mark that one, judge that one. You are not having a very good behavior. So these are the three kind of behavior you can find. One is a submissive, assertive, and aggressive. Right now, what is the characteristic of these people? Means when these people are going to be, means they are submissive in nature. What is their characteristic? How can you find that one? You are having which kind of behavior? Is it aggressive or submissive or assertive? So right now you can cross check with the assertive, means what submissive people. What are the characteristics of there? These people are unable to make the eye contact. The first way of body language. Have I said you something? Eye contact. What is actually eye contact? If you are unable to make the eye contact with the people, what does that mean?
It does mean you are not having confidence and you are
not interested in
You did some mistake and you're not having the confidence. Those people are submissive in nature. They are going to show that kind of behavior. Means they are not able to make the eye contact with the people. This person are there in front of them. While they are making the communication, they are unable to make the eye contact. Second क्या लिखा है वहाँ पे? What aggressive?
Don't express what does not ideal.
Always let others to make their decision. Make decision for them. That means what?
They depend on others' decisions.
While they start something or take the decision in their life, they want to ask other people. For an example, how many people have recently purchased a mobile? Within 2 to 3 months? Great. 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you purchase a mobile, the link from Flipkart or Amazon, how many of friends you shared them? कितने लोगों को सेंड किए थे? किसी को नहीं किए थे. And you? कितने लोग किए थे? 4-5. Within this 4 to 5 people, they have shared something. You have taken their suggestion, or you have said that select anyone, I need to purchase that one.
बदलिकी मोबाइल नो आ गोटे अलगा मोबाइल किसी भी किनि परिबो आ डी अधिक पैसा पड़ती
मु कोन पचारली ना तमे ताको कोन कहिलो कि तमे मोबाइल सिलेक्ट कर दियो मु सेटा किनिबी ना या भितर गोटे बाछि कुहो यार कोन फीचर्स
इजिली कहली एटा दे किनिबी तमे जे आगुटा भल लागुची तमे दे कहि परिबो.
So right now there are two different kind of people. You can ask the opinion of others. That means you want to go for a survey. Is it a good product or not? Second, you can do one thing. You can find something for me. I need to purchase that one. Some people are doing or not. That means they are unable to take their own decision for them. When they are going to pursue something in study, maybe after completion of your intermediate, you want to go with the technical round or non-technical background. You are unable to take your own decision. you asked your friend, asked your family member, asked your relatives, what they said, you have suddenly joined that one. That means you are unable to take your own decision. That's why submissive nature. Next, what written?
Doesn't express feelings.
They're unable to express their feelings, ideas, thoughts, experience directly to the people. Right now, if you are having any doubts, okay, so whether you are going to ask me directly, you ask your friend. वो जो क्वेश्चन में पूछना उसका मीनिंग क्या है? वो जो ये पॉइंट था ना, ये कैसा हुआ? That means you are showing your indirect approach while you need to ask something. That is also showing your submissive behavior. That means you are unable to speak something by help of direct manner. You are going to depend on someone to share your thoughts and ideas and feelings. Yes or no? Second,
Often arising conflict.
when upon arising conflict they run away. जहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है क्या करते हैं? भाग जाते हैं. Why? They're afraid of that one. They do feel, why I am going to indulge myself in this problem? Let me go outside, be in a comfort zone. They are always the comfort seekers. Right now, those people are not writing. They are the comfort seekers. That means they are submissive nature people.
Everybody has a submissive nature.
I will describe that one. Next,
Uh,
what it
this
is?
is apologetic word.
Use apologetic words and heads. While they are doing some mistake, always they are doing what? Sorry. They are always doing the apologetic words. This is also showing that you are submissive in nature. You can consider these people who did a little bit mistake only. For an example, I asked him, please sit in a proper posture. What is that one? Maybe we are going to say by the help of the words, convert it into some actions. That's showing what?
No, sir. I'm calling to God because protection.
I got your point. So these are the things people are always doing. If they are doing a little bit mistake also, they are always using the apologetic word. Apologetic word क्या होता है? Sorry, it's my mistake. They are always put themselves, they are the victim. ये होता है क्या? ये क्या होता है आपका apologetic word? Next, use indirect manner that I have said already. And next,
Always do have downward eyes.
always do have downcast eyes that already have said. Use an indirect manner, completed. So these are the characteristic of a submissive people. If you are having that kind of characteristic, that means you are a
Submissive.
right now. What is the meaning of this body language? No, this body language. Making ankle lock.
Cross body language. Close-minded.
Ankle lock. Your legs are straight and making an ankle lock. Relax and not attentive. खाना खा के आगे नींद आ रहा है अभी. Okay. So right now it about your aggressiveness people by the help of their face is reflected their aggressive nature. Yes or no? What are the characteristics? Display inappropriate honesty. One example, we are having a trip right now. Coming Sunday, we are having a trip. And you select 1 to 2 people who are going to collect all the money and they need to go for the plan. You ask in the mid of your plan, is there any money? If there is certain money, you can go for the other plan. Right now, these people, what they need to say? What you feel? I have taken any money. You are doubt to me. You are asking me the calculations. ये क्या होता है? They are showing the inappropriate honesty. Maybe these people are genuine. ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा वो खा लेते हैं पैसा. Maybe वो अच्छे होते हैं. They are not taking the money. They have implemented each and every money in the right manner. Or they are hesitant to speak that one. Why? बीच में ego होता है, super ego. वो बीच में आ जाता है. These people have not trust me that I need to maintain that one properly. These are the things. So they are not showing the appropriate honesty. This is your characteristic of a aggressiveness people. Okay, next.
Put other down.
Put others down by the help of
Pointing. Finger pointing.
finger pointing. What is the meaning of finger pointing? Commanding, ordering, disrespect to the person. So the aggressive person always want to or always try to making the finger pointing. You are the victim. You need to give the presentation tomorrow. You are the victim of this particular thing. You did that one. You did the mistake. They are always making the finger pointing. Why is the other people always making the palm point? So yesterday I have said, or that day I have what said, convert your finger pointing to palm pointing. Clear? Next,
Ignore
rights of others. Our Indian constitution given us two rights. Yes or no? Right to speak and right to hear. What is right to speak? Right now you are having, everyone have the right to speak, to share your opinions. I need to silent at the time. I need to make my right what? Right to hear. Yes or no? इसलिए सबको बोलता हूँ कि शेयर ओपिनियंस. आप लोग, आपके पास राइट्स है, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, ट्राई टू यूज दैट वन. लेकिन आप क्या करते हो? यहाँ पे प्रवचन सुनने के लिए आए हो, बैठ कर आराम से सुनते. So try to utilize your mind. This is your two constitution, right to speak and right to hear. But aggressive people, what they are doing actually, they snatch your means the power, right to speak. क्या बोलेंगे? मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ बस सुनो थे. Right now, I need to utilize the constitutional law, that is right to speak. You need to right to hear only. अब मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ बस सुनो, उसे बोलने का जरूरत आपका है नहीं. So aggressive people always doing the same thing. ऐसे कभी देखे हो? आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, चुप, तू क्या बोलोगे? सुन मेरे बात पहले. ये सुनो. पेरेंट में देखे होगे जब कुछ आपका खुद का डिसीजन ले रहे होगे, ऐसे कुछ सुना होगा आपने. ये सुनो. So these are showing your aggressive nature, personality. Next, attack and blame others. कुछ भी हो गया होगा तो मेरा कुछ गलती नहीं. किसका गलती है? सब तुम्हारा गलती है. Exactly. हमेशा क्या करते हैं? दूसरों को पॉइंट आउट करते रहते हैं कि ये मेरा गलती नहीं, उसका गलती है. जो प्रोजेक्ट खराब हो गया ना, मैंने सब किया था, बस इसने देख लिया था, इसलिए खराब हो गया, इसका नजर खराब है. They always blame to other people. कुछ भी हो गया, मेरे वजह से कुछ नहीं हुआ है, मैं दूध का धुला हुआ, सब इसके वजह से हुआ है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, ओवररिएक्ट टू ए सिचुएशन. एक सिचुएशन मान लो, कुछ एक एक्शन हो रहा है, दे आर गोइंग टू ओवररिएक्ट टू दैट वन. ओवररिएक्ट क्या होता है? फॉर एन एग्जांपल, यहाँ पे कुछ लोग नहीं लिखे, फॉर जो हमें स्टार्टिंग में बोल रहा था ना, दोस पीपल आर रिटन ओनली देयर schedule of their life. 7 o'clock they wake up, 7:30 they take their breakfast, and at 9 o'clock they come to CTTC, 9:30, 11 o'clock khatam. Right now if I am going to call the person and I ask, what you are reading, what you are writing, is it the proper manner? Are you making a sentence? I started scolding him. It is a small mistake. Yes or no? Maybe they don't know how to write a diary, daily diary. That's why they have written like this. So if I am going to overreact to this particular situation, that means what characteristic I am showing here? Aggressiveness. If I am going to say only, maybe you don't know how to write, try to write in a full passage. When you start writing in a full passage, at least you have to put the details of that one. Don't mention the time over there too frequently. Just write down what you did, what is your thought, what you actually did in this entire day. Try to do that one. That can cover in one page. So these are the things you need to be make in a polite manner. So aggressive वाले क्या करते हैं हमेशा? They are scolding you at any point of time. Next point,
finger pointing.
Finger pointing. क्या करते हैं हमेशा? Aggressive वाले they are making the finger pointing. So right now about this assertiveness. What is actually assertive people do? Assertive people are having the power. They are going to utilize the power in a very calm and cool manner. Submissive people, they are having the power, but they don't know how to utilize the power. Aggressive people, they are having the power, they are going to misutilize the power. I am having the power, I need to do it with my own ways. Assertive क्या करते हैं? I am having the power, the calm and cool. What the power need to be do according to that one, they started doing that. Okay. Next point. Display appropriate honesty. What is happened? They are going to show you step by step process. These are the things already happened. So these are the expenditure of this particular trip or this particular project. So these are the amount we have collected or we have you can say spent. These are the expenditure, and right now this is the particular figure we have saved. We need to try a different way. So क्या करते हैं हमेशा वहाँ पे जाके आपका एक honest मेंटेन करते हैं, जो भी आपका क्लियर हुआ था सब वहाँ पे दिखाते हैं. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट,
Express wants and feelings directly.
express wants, feelings
Directly.
and thoughts directly. They're not having a fear, they're not having any problems to share their thoughts and wants. They can directly share their thoughts and wants. जो भी उनका मन में आता है, they can directly share that one. They are not requiring other person, third party, to make a indirect manner. Directly they can say. Why? Because they are having the confidence. They are making the eye to eye contact. What about the submissive people? They are unable to make the eye contact. That's why they are not having the confidence. That's why they require a third person by the help of whom he can transport their thoughts. Clear? Next,
Empathetic in nature.
empathetic in nature. What is actually empathetic and what is the difference between sympathy and empathy?
Sympathy means guide.
Okay, there is a, you can say, interpersonal skill. When you are going to learn about interpersonal skill, you can go for the more deeper condition. So empathetic means generally got a consider उनके मन में कुछ empathy होता है. If something is happened wrong with any person, they are sharing their empathy. What is empathy? We are going to describe in the next class. They are showing some empathy. मतलब दिमाग में कुछ आता है कि yes, I need to share some empathy. I need to share something in why mentally I can support this person. Okay, always they are saying the empathetic in nature. Next,
Evaluates and then acts.
evaluate and then acts. First of all, what they do? If they are going to take some position or the step, first they evaluate. If I am going to take this particular step, what should be the result? What I need to do that one, and what should be the result or outcome that one? What is the expenditure and what is the saving of that one? Then after they started working upon that. पहले क्या करते हैं? एनालिसिस करते हैं, एनालाइज करते हैं, उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? एक्शन लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. Next,
Has firm and warm voice.
has firm and warm voice. While they are sharing something, they are having the firm and warm voice. Aggressive people are having the high pitch in their voice, and submissive people are having the low pitch in their voice. But the assertive people having the warm and firm voice. So these are the pitch they are going to maintain. Clear? Next,
Makes direct eye contact.
direct eye contact. So right now there is a best quotation we cannot find over here. The submissive people, they are always saying, you are okay but I am not. पता चला? Submissive people what they are doing? All people are okay right now but मैं ही हूँ खराब. मेरे अंदर ही नहीं है वो क्वालिटी, मेरे अंदर नहीं है वो कॉन्फिडेंस कि मैं बोल सकूँ. What about this aggressive people?
You are.
I am okay but you are not. मैं यहाँ पे भगवान हूँ, मुझे सब पता है, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता है, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही करो. What about the assertive people?
We are on. You are okay.
I am okay and you also. These people, they know how to give respect themselves as well as others. So these are the characteristics of assertive people. I know if you find yourself aggressive people, you can find 70% over there, submissive 10%, assertive only 20%. Yes or no? Yes or no? So convert your aggressiveness to a assertive personality. Why? We are going to learn about what is the reason behind that one. Why this aggressive, submissive people are react like that one?
Low confidence.
You told me because of low confidence.
clarity.
They're not having the confidence. They don't know how to do that one. Maybe they are having the power. They are having the, you can say, position, but they don't know how to utilize that one. So they are not having the confidence to utilize their power in a very good manner. That's why they are making like this. और क्या लिखा है? नहीं है क्या? Right now this one. To avoid conflict and unpleasant risky situation. वो हमेशा क्या करते हैं? जब का प्रॉब्लम होता है वहाँ पे भागना चाहते हैं. कभी भी आके वहाँ पे क्या करना चाहते हैं? खुद को वहाँ पे इंडल्ज करना नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि मान लो कि यू आर मूविंग द रोड एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू फाइंड ए रोड एक्सीडेंट. आपके दिमाग में क्या आएगा? Why should I help them? If right now I'm going to help them, police would come and ask me, you did the accident. रहूंगा नहीं तो accident नहीं करूंगा. इसलिए क्या करते हैं? भाग जाते हैं. If some problem is arising, they are going to say, this is not my cup of tea. मतलब ये मेरा हिस्से वाला नहीं है, तो मैं यहाँ पे चले जाता हूँ. You will find when you are making a conflict with your friends, वहाँ पे कुछ फ्रेंड ऐसे होंगे जो आके यहाँ पे आपको हेल्प करेंगे कि क्या हुआ है, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करो. कुछ कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे, अरे वो झगड़ रहे हैं, चलो चलो निकलो है। सो क्यों ऐसा करते हैं? क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में ऐसा आता है कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे जाऊँगा मैं खुद ही फंस जाऊँगा। सो दे आर हैविंग द फियर ऑफ दैट वन, इसलिए क्या करते हैं, हमेशा वहाँ से भाग जाते हैं। व्हाट अबाउट एग्रेसिव पीपल? एग्रेसिव वाले क्या करते हैं? टू एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स and to express hostility and anger to achieve objectives by do or die method. कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे ही मिलना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं जो बोलता हूँ उस रास्ते पे चलो, मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वही करो, you will achieve something. बाकी जिसका जिसका जो भी आइडिया अपने पास है ना, आपने रख लो, मैं जो बोलता हूँ वही करो। एग्रेसिवनेस क्या करते हैं हमेशा, they are following the do or die method and by hook or crook method they need to achieve that one. इसलिए उनका क्या होता है, they are starting overreact to the situation. जो भी सिचुएशन आता है ना उसे overreact करने के लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Next about your assertive people. What assertive people are thinking means what, why they are reacting like this?
To achieve objective, have positive feelings about themselves.
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे दिखा नहीं दे रहा यहाँ। To achieve objective, to have positive feelings and about himself. They know how to utilize their power. They know about their confidence, about their capabilities. According to that one, when a problem comes or maybe a situation comes, they are calm and cool. They can handle situation easily, and they are having the belief about themselves. वो किसी के फ्लो में नहीं आते, खुद का जितने पास कॉन्फिडेंस है उसके हिसाब से क्या करते हैं, काम करते हैं। इसलिए उनका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऐसा होता है, किसका? असर्टिव वाले। एग्रेसिव वालों का इसलिए क्यों, उनका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इसलिए क्यों होता है, क्योंकि उन्होंने बाय हुक और क्रूक मेथड वो अपने आप को प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, इसलिए उनका वो ओवररिएक्ट करते हैं। सबमिसिव वाले क्यों करते हैं ऐसे? उनके पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो हमेशा वहाँ से भागना चाहते हैं, इसलिए उनका क्या होता है, avoid the risk. They avoid to take the risk. At that time particular what they are saying, this is not my cup of tea, मतलब ये मेरा हिस्सेदारी नहीं है, I need to run from here. Right now the exact thing comes. Some people are aggressive in nature, assertive in nature, submissive in nature. What you feel about yourself? खुद को कैसा फील होता है? जो कोई सबमिसिव नेचर होता है वो खुद को कैसा फील करता है? Always feel low and down confidence और helpless, powerless. खुद को लगता है कि मुझे कोई हेल्प करने वाला नहीं है, मेरे पास कुछ पावर नहीं, उनके पास मे भी पावर होगा but they do feel there is no one to help me. There is no one to help me in this particular situation. अगर मैं कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम में आ गया तो मेरे पास कोई है नहीं जो मुझे हेल्प करेगा। जिसके पास पावर नहीं है वो क्या बोलता है, मेरे पास पावर नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँगा वहाँ पे जाके। ठीक है, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल मान लो कि आपको पेन आपका खत्म हो गया, आपको बोला कैसे लिखने के लिए, मेरा पेन खत्म हो गया कैसे लिखूंगा, भूल गए थे कि मोबाइल में टेक्स्ट होता है, वर्ड फॉर्मेट होता है, भूल गए थे।
Okay.
अरे भाई